Hi, I'm Winston. Welcome to this course. I'm the product manager of domain-focused HMI, and I'm responsible for the SPC series. For the past few years, the business benefit of Industry 4.0 has been discovered and applied. However, each industry has its own working environment. Some of them are in a harsh environments. Some of them are hygienic environment. Sometimes it's not easy to find a suitable HMI to adapt to these spatial environments. In order to fulfill this vertical market, we designed the domain-focused HMI SPC-800 Series. In this course, you will learn about the innovative domain-focused HMI SPC-800 Series and what are key features, such as all-around IP65 protection, silicon-free design, and customizable push-button panel. At the end, we will also introduce the application field and the successful story of SPC series. Welcome to this course, and we look forward to seeing you at the IoT Academy. Thank you.